Buongiorno, everybody. I'm Gareth from Port Monkeys, and today we are on the Carnival Firenze. We're just going to take a quick look at a balcony cabin. And we're up on deck 9, port side, left side. And we're going to walk along here. If you see that door down there at the porthole, we're going to stop in there at the end of. Hey, somebody gave me ducks. Thank you. So, port monkeys are on board. Of course, you use a key card on Carnival. They have one of these slots, but somebody has inserted a card there, and I guess it's just permanent. I didn't do it. I think it's always there. So, that's privacy, snoozing. You got 3 hooks here and another hook here. Of course, the thermostat, cool, warm, but no numbers, of course. So this is a balcony cabin, a standard balcony cabin. And I look like I've received some chocolate covered strawberries. Anyway, it's got 3 shelves here, which we've piled with our junk. Got a nice sized bed, towel animals, a couch, and I think these cushions come off so you can sleep here. You've got 3 people in your cabin, right? A nightstand on each side of the bed. And USB-A ports, you know, that guy. 2 of them on this side, and a control for the lights. None of them on that side. There are no USB ports, there's no outlets, there's nothing there. Let's look behind the bed. I pulled the bed out, and you see a cord going along there. And I'm thinking that's dual European plugs. Let's go over there. So what we have here is 2 European style outlets. I'm going to try to show these to you. See that? So if you have an adapter and need the extra outlets, you could pull the bed out and unplug the lamp and so on and so forth, but we don't need them. The nightstands, they do have lamps, and they just are empty. Little shelf at the bottom. By the way, under your bed is enough room for your suitcases, luggage. Let's go out on the balcony. It's a kind of a small balcony, which has a lock. We had balcony cleaning this morning, so they were out here because these panels open, and they open all the way down. So if you want to, you know, rent 3 cabins in a row, you can open the balcony between them. Of course, there's the bridge. We're in 9240, by the way. 2 chairs and a table. Now the chairs recline, right? But even to go back that far, it's only going to leave you that much space. And if you go back much further, you're going to be out of space. Now you can turn them sideways, but you know, that's the balcony. Let's go back inside. So we get 2 free bottles of water because we're platinum. There's a bunch of junk they give you here, you know, barcodes and whatever. Our room steward is Mary. She gave us her card. So this is a light switch for this lamp, and there is a stool here. See that? And a drawer with a blow dryer. Whoa, a blow dryer. And there's a cabinet with a refrigerator, and the refrigerator is fairly cold. Anyway, so European style outlet, 2 USA style outlets, right? 2 more USB-A, that's the old USB, same by the bed, 2 USB-A, and I believe that is an Australian outlet, Australian. Okay, phone. I mentioned the shelves. Of course, it has one of these. So, the thing lacking in here is shelf space. There are only 2 shelves, other than, you know, the outside ones. So I got camera equipment there and my underwear there. There is 3 drawers and a safe. Don't forget the safe. Then the closet situation is this. A mirror, a tall closet, right? And then 2 short closets, I'll call it. There's a shelf in here, which I guess I could remove and maybe remove that pole. It seems like I could do it. I'm not going to bother with it though. So my clothes kind of hang over the side, right, of the shelf. But anyway, there's plenty of room. It's just, do you want to use it all? Just so you know, under the couch is 2 big drawers. Of course, they've got sheets and stuff in one of them, and they don't slide very easily. The table has a shelf, and it slides easily. Let's see what's in this one. Well, it's not just 1 drawer, but they overlap, and so you gotta open both of them. Like I said, we don't need it, so we're not going to use it. It's a pain in the butt to get it out. All right. Wow. Let's see. What's left? The bathroom. Of course, the light switch is out here. I got 3 hooks up here. We always ask for robes. It's got a glass shower door. A glass shower door. The door does not stay open though. So it's got a bar, and it's average size for a cruise ship, right? I'm now inside it. It has shower gel and shampoo, so soap and shampoo. They give you a bar of soap though. It was out on that counter there, but on the vanity we'll call it. The left-hand knob on the shower is water pressure. Oh, and it's got one of these shower heads that come off. It's not got much pressure. Of course, the shower head is adjustable. So if you want it lower, this thing should be adjustable, but anyway, Janet wishes I was taller, so we keep it up like that. And it's got a clothesline, right? Everybody got a clothesline. And I notice it's always the same brand stuff, but I mean, I don't know if that's a fact, but they look the same. Okay, so I'm going to try to turn the water on. And there it is. On this side is the temperature. There's a number 45. So it's so tiny and you know, chrome as to be of no use. Remember, though 38 degrees Celsius, because that's in Celsius, is 100 degrees Fahrenheit. A lot of towels, towel bars, 3 shelves over here. They're kind of small, but 3. And 3 shelves over here that are twice as big, give or take. This box of tissues is supplied by the ship, as is the mirror. Oh, and this mirror. Okay, and it pulls out, and so you can do whatever you want with the mirror. It should be noted that the toilets are very, very small. That's my hand. Right? So normal. It has a little tiny button though. And trash can, extra stuff, toilet paper, tissues. I think that's enough in the bathroom. Well, let's talk Carnival TV. So I'm going to power it up. Watch and listen. TV, channel guide. I'm pushing these buttons. And that's the channels. And you'll notice most of them are Carnival channels. One news channel, CBS News. And then, you know, you can see them going by there. Travel Channel, Home and Garden, Good to Know. And see, these are a couple more Carnival channels and then a music channel. Right? So I'm going to push the home button. Fun aboard. What's happening? Oh. And so Captain's Venetian Toast, $6.45. Okay. You can order food and drinks. This is our itinerary. Whoop. There. Back home. So on demand is movies, and some of these cost money. So Killers of the Flower Moon is $10. Inside Out 2, $10. Although they left a 0 off it, so I don't know if the decimal point's in the wrong place and it's only $1. You will find movies, how about Hitch, that are free. There are movie channels on the TV. On Princess, the movies are all free. So Comedy Channel, Real Classic Channel, right? And I guess that's all. So, anyway, let's, hey, 1313. Well, that's lucky. I have to say that that's it for the room, but now we're going to walk down that hall and see what's outside that door with the porthole. Okay? So let me make sure I got my room key. Of course, we're lucky that we're on deck 9, forward, port side, for what I'm about to show you. Otherwise, you'd have to walk upstairs, downstairs, elevators, whatever. And this door will slam. And I noticed there's not a door like this on the other side. Although up on deck 10, I think there's 2 doors. So, because whatever, that's broken. And then you come out here and you're on this deck in the front of the ship. So if you want to be in the front of the ship, come out that door, and anyone can do it. You don't have to be on deck 9. That takes you up to deck 10. Same story, except there's 2 doors, one on port and starboard. But you can go all the way across, right? The bridge is below us. So if I do this, they're going to hear it in the bridge. Of course, they probably hear that all day long. Right? So, from the Carnival Firenze, I'm Gareth from Port Monkeys saying ciao ciao. and I will see you in the next port. Bye.